In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this hood release handle in this Volkswagen Beetle. Let's get into it. We're going to pull the release handle off. Just pop this little lever off here. You can use a straight blade screwdriver. Get underneath there. That slides up. Then you have to spread this right here. Pop it off the pins. Just like that. Like that. And it slides right out. You're just spreading it in the middle. Take the lever, slide it through. Once you get it through, you can take a larger screwdriver and just slide this apart so that it goes over those pins. There we go. Slides in place. And then you lock this down just like that. There's this little window right here that can push in there.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.